How to use the Affirm Debit Card. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to use the Affirm Debit Card. So to use the Affirm Debit Card Plus card, first thing, you can use it to link your bank account. Now before using the Affirm Debit Card, you'll need to link it to your bank account via the Affirm app or Affirm app, and it automatically pulls funds from your linked checking account to cover purchases and installment payments. Apart from it, you could also make a purchase. You can use the card like a regular debit card for everyday transaction, whether in store or online. However, it does not support ATM withdrawals or international transaction. And as for the large purchases, it allows you to split payment into installment. You can either request a payment plan before the purchase in the app or opt to split payments from checking. Type of plans, you could also choose from different payment options. That is 0% APR is bi-weekly payments on eligible purchases, and other plans may include an interest rate which can go higher as 30% depending on the terms of the loan. You could also manage your funds and payment. The balance in your Affirm account might not update a real, which can affect budgeting. Now there may also be delay with transferring funds from your bank account to Affirm, typically taking 2 to 4 business days. And for more details, you can contact the customer care and they should be able to provide you with list of instructions. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.